Students, today we'll do the first chapter of English and Astrologer's Day. Okay, today we'll start with solving the activities. I'll show you how to solve the activities. So we'll start. You can see the first activity, brainstorming. Activity number 1. Given below are some description. Discuss them with your partners and find out one word for each of them. An example is given for you. Okay, one example is given for you. You can see the one example, the very first example, that is the scientific study of the universe. You have to give only a one word for each of them. The scientific study of the universe and object including star, planets, nebulae and galaxies are called an astronomy. ठीक है, जो साइंटिफिक स्टडी करते हैं यूनिवर्स की उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं एस्ट्रोनॉमी. Next is the study of the movement of the planets, sun, moon and stars in the belief that these movements can have an influence on people's life. तो वो वर्ड कौन सा है जो मूवमेंट ऑफ द प्लैनेट्स, सन, मून के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं. What we call that people, influence on people lives is nothing but an astrology. So your answer is astrology. A prediction of what will happen in the future, वो prediction जो इन फ्यूचर में, नियर फ्यूचर में क्या होगा, वो प्रिडिक्शन को क्या कहते हैं. अ प्रिडिक्शन ऑफ व्हाट विल हैपन इन द फ्यूचर, वन वर्ड में हम उसको क्या कहते हैं, प्रोफेसी. व्हाट वी कॉल प्रोफेसी. साइंटिफिक डिसिप्लिन विच स्टडीज मेंटल स्टेट्स एंड प्रोसेसेस एंड बिहेवियर इन ह्यूमंस एंड अदर एनिमल्स, उनको हम बोलते हैं साइकोलॉजी. इन वन वर्ड, हु स्टडीज मेंटल स्टेट्स, प्रोसेसेस एंड बिहेवियर ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड अदर एनिमल्स एज वेल, वी कॉल दैट psychology. Next is, in the story we are told that the town hall park was a remarkable place in many ways. For an astrologer to build his business, discussed it in a group and list the exceptional qualities of the place. First is given a surging crowd. Next is no municipal lightning. ठीक है, स्टोरी में जो टाउन हॉल पार्क एक रिमार्केबल प्लेस बताया है, मैनी वेज़ वहाँ पर एस्ट्रोलॉजर अपने बिल्ड करते हैं बिजनेस, उसी को हम एक्सेप्शनल क्वालिटीज़ उस प्लेस की बताएंगे. तो फर्स्ट है अ सर्जिंग क्राउड, सेकेंड नो म्यूनिसिपल लाइटनिंग, थर्ड इज़ कस्टमर्स ऑफ अदर वेंडर्स dallied near him, variety of trades, used light of other vendors and crisscross of light and shade suited him. This was the answer. Next is the astrologer never opened his mouth till the other had spoken for at least 10 minutes, discuss the reason behind his act. Now we'll see. He is good at reading the people. First is given to you. Next is gathers information about the individual. Third, understand the psychology of the individual, analyzes the troubles. Fourth is shows sympathy and praise which they want to hear, wins the confidence. We have done with the activity. Now A2, which are the tactics used by the astrologer to earn his wages? Astrologers ने कौन कौन सी tactics use किया so that he can earn मैक्सिमम वेजेस. तो द फर्स्ट टैक्टिस दैट उसने क्या किया, उसने ह्यूमन ट्रबल्स को एनालाइज किया. सेकेंड टैक्टिस जनरल डिज़ायर्स एंड लॉन्गिंग्स ऑफ पीपल. थर्ड, बिलीव इन सुपरस्टिशंस ऑफ पीपल. फोर्थ, फियर्स, डाउट्स एंड अनसर्टेनिटीज. ओके, good judge of human nature and their insecurities, shrewd. So these are the tactics जो astrologer ने wages earn करने के लिए कुछ tactics का इस्तेमाल किया. Next is an astrologer's appearance helps to create an impression on his clients. You have to complete the following. Astrologers का appearance क्या था in the story? The turban on his head, उनके head पे turban था. Sacred ash smeared on his forehead, उनके forehead पे sacred ash था. Vermilion on forehead, vermilion is nothing but सिंदूर. Dark whiskers थे and mustache. Powerful eyes, set below a painted forehead. Next is You have to read the following sentence and choose the correct one. आपको sentence read करना है and the correct answer you have to write it down. You can see this asterisk mark. This asterisk mark is nothing but the correct answer. The astrologer says that if Nayak does not leave his village again, he would, options are, return the money, face danger, go back home and stop looking for the men who tried to kill him, not find the killer. Your correct answer is second option, face danger. According to the narrator, an astrologer's success in his profession is primarily due to, options are luck, second is the bargain he drives, his appearance, and fourth is his understanding of people. The correct option is his understanding of people. This is the correct answer. The story suggests that the astrologer's comments and observation please people by, the following options are, first is promising them success and good fortune, second is proving as time passes to have been true, third is flattering them or supporting their own views, and fourth is helping them to learn to solve their own problems. The correct answer is the option third, flattering them or supporting their own views. This is the correct answer. Now we'll forward to the next activity. Yes, Guru Nayak consulted the astrologer because he wants to, first option is understand the past, second find out who the astrologer is, third make some money through a bet, fourth get the answer to a specific question. So the correct option is fourth one, get the answer to a specific question. Next, Guru Nayak is looking for the men who tried to kill him. Options are to take revenge, to get an apology, to demand an explanation, to prove that the man was unsuccessful. Guru Nayak is looking for the men. Guru Nayak उनको देख रहे थे जो उन्होंने उनको मारने की कोशिश की थी. वो क्यों देख रहे थे? क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है टू टेक रिवेंज, उनको रिवेंज लेना था. दैट इज द राइट आंसर. द एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स रिमार्क मेक्स गुरु नायक फिल ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सेप्ट. First option is relieved, second is suspicious, third is impressed, and fourth is disappointed. The correct answer is suspicious. The second option is correct, suspicious. Next is reactions of astrologer's wives to his news suggest that she, first option, was unaware of his past, has been worried about his safety, third has known him since he was young, fourth is concerned about her future with him. So the correct option is was unaware of his past. Astrologer's wife did not know about his husband's past history. Read the following sentence and find out true and false sentences and correct the false sentences. You have to find it out which is the true statement and false statement, and if it's the statement is false, you have to correct that statement. First is the astrologer gave a correct prediction to the client about his past, that he was stabbed, thrown into a well and left for dead. Yes, that was the true statement. Astrologer ने correct predict किया था कि client है उसका past था that he was stabbed. Stab के बाद में he has been thrown into a well and he completely left for the dead. Next is when the astrologer came to know about the man whom he killed is alive, he felt that he was relieved of his guilt. This is again the truth statement, when actually astrologer came to know that man who he was supposed to kill but he is alive and he was relieved of his guilt. The astrologer tried to back out of the deal and talked about the client's past. It is completely a false statement. The astrologer rescued himself from Guru Nayak's revenge through astrologer कैसे तैसे rescue कर दिए गुरु नायक के revenge से. So yes, he rescued himself from Guru Nayak's revenge. The moral of the story is that we must be responsible about what we have done and should not run away from our mistake. So what you can understand from the chapter in astrologer's day is the moral of the story. Yes, whatever you does, you will be responsible for that and you don't have to run away from your mistake. You have to face it. Next, the astrologer has changed his appearance and his persona when he arrived in the city. Give specific reason. What was the specific reason? Did not want to be recognized, to escape punishment, to earn a living. This is the right answer. The darkness cloud that was inside the astrologer has disappeared. Through the sentence, explain the significance of the title and astrologer's day. So what's the answer? Relieved of the burden of guilt. Burden of guilt, he wanted to relieve it. He felt the incident had made his day. This is the correct answer. Now the next activity is the astrologer feels relieved that Guru is not dead as it relieves a great burden from him. Critically justify the statement and explain it. Guilt free, no longer need to hide his identity and can move forward in life. Astrologer relief feel kar diye the that Guru is not dead and as it relieves a great burden from him. So what statement you can justify? Guilt free, no longer need to hide his identity and can move forward in life. So this was the correct answer. Now we can see A3 in the story. The following characters reveal their qualities through words and action. Pick out the words that describe them from the box and write it in the appropriate columns. Here the following characters are given and according to that you have to place those qualities into that column. Alright. So astrologers की quality first is given, that is shrewd, वो तो दिया हुआ है. Astrologers की quality you can see in this table. हम लोगों ने A, G ये लिखा है. That means A is astrologer, G is Guru Nayak and AW and W is astrologer's wife. तो we'll see shrewd astrologers. Okay. Then हम सारे astrologers के देख लेंगे. Smart A astrologers. Okay. Clever एस्ट्रोलॉजर के कॉलम में जाएगा. मैनिपुलेटिव एस्ट्रोलॉजर के कॉलम में जाएगा. कनिंग एस्ट्रोलॉजर. सस्पिशियस एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स कॉलम. स्केप्टिकल एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स कॉलम. इनिशिएटिव एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स कॉलम में जाएगा. मिस्टिकल एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स कॉलम. शार्प एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स. देन गुरु नायक के कॉलम में दैट इज जी, यू कैन सी एरोगेंट गुरु नायक, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट गुरु नायक. देन antagonistic, that is Guru Nayak and quarrelsome, that is Guru Nayak. Aggressive, that is Guru Nayak के कॉलम में जाएगा. Astrologer's wife, that is AW and W. Rational astrologer's wife column. Worried astrologers and wife column. Worried astrologers के कॉलम में भी जाएगा और wife W, wife astrologers के wife के कॉलम में भी जाएगा. ओके. Demanding astrologers के wife के कॉलम में. Caring astrologer's wife column. Protective astrologer's wife column. Humanistic astrologer's wife column. ठीक है. ये जो gullible है वो G, that means गुरु नायक में भी जाएगा और astrologer की wife के column में भी जाएगा. Okay. Then after that impatious, that is वो astrologer में भी जाएगा और astrologers की wife में भी जाएगा. That is A and G. After that, match the suffix with the words and make nouns. One is done for you. You can see word auction दिया है, suffix able है और उसका noun होगा auctioneer. Second is enchant, suffix ur, noun is enchantment. Third word is know, suffix meant, noun will be knowledge. Word prepare, suffix ear, noun हो जाएगा preparation. Word proceed, suffix दिया है ance, noun हो जाएगा procedure. Word appear, suffix दिया है ledge, noun will be appearance. Word remark, suffix shun, noun will be remarkable. Okay. So here an astrologer's day has an ionic elements when the astrologist pretends to have supernatural knowledge that coincidentally turn out to be the truth. Irony means a situation or statement characterized by a significant difference between what is expected and what actually happens, or between what is understood and what is meant. Find out the example of irony from the story and write down. One has been done for you. So we'll see next one. Here it is. He knew no more of what was going to happen to others than he knew what was going to happen to himself the next minute. One is done for you. The next is, Nayak learned his attacker died, an astrologer that he did not commit murder. Nayak came to the very men who tried to kill him to find his attacker. Astrologer's eyes were searching for customers eagerly, which the customers mistook for prophetic light. So these are the things wherein you can see you have gone through in the chapter Astrologer's Day. Okay. Next is in the story many Indian words are used. Of course आप देख सकते हो आप Astrologer's Day में वो story में बहुत सारे Indian words use हुए हैं. There is an example of code mixing. Find out such words from the story and write them down. The words are Raja's delicacy, Bombay ice cream, Delhi almond, 3 pies, 8 annas, 12 annas, and Jukta driver. Jitka driver. These are the some words, code mixing words, which are the Indian words which have been used in the chapter. There are some phrases where the word crown is used with different shades of meaning. Use the following phrases to complete the sentence meaningfully. One is done for you. See, one is done for you. Complete the following sentence. You have to do it. To crown the effect, he wore a saffron colored turban around his head. Okay. Next, you can see what will be the correct statement will come in the fill in the blanks. The works of Shakespeare are the crowning glory of English drama. Are the crowning glory of English drama. Second is Amitabh has given us awesome movies throughout 5 decades, but his crowning achievement, answer is crowning achievement, is his performance in the movie Black. In her pursuit of success, Radha has distanced herself from her family. Her fame has become a real crown of thorns. The correct answer is crown of thorns. They threw a wonderful party for me with costumes, games, and to crown it all, the correct answer is to crown it all, my favorite kind of ice cream. Next is medical science has great invention, but organ transplantation is definitely of crowning achievement. The correct answer is crowning achievement for human beings. Next is word usage. Use the words given in the bracket and rewrite the sentence. जो bracket में words दिया है, आपको वो bracket के words use करना है और again आपको sentence rewrite करना है. तो the sentence is the power of his eyes was considerably enhanced. This is your sentence. Now you have to rewrite the sentence by using that bracket word, enhancement. There was considerable enhancement of power of his eyes. After using that word enhancement, your sentence will look like there was considerable enhancement of power of his eyes. Next question is, he had a working analysis of mankind troubles worked. You have to write down that bracket word worked. The statement will be, an analysis of mankind's troubles was worked out by him. Your sentence, I repeat, an analysis of mankind's troubles was worked out by him. Then he had a working analysis of mankind's troubles. We done that. He knew what was going to happen to himself next minute. Your bracket word is happening. You have to rewrite the sentence with the happening word. He knew what happening to himself next minute. Okay, this is your correct answer. Next question is, if you find my answer satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? You have to use that satisfaction word. If you find satisfaction with my answer, will you give me 5 rupees? This would be your sentence. He shook his head regretfully. Bracket word is regret. You have to use this word regret. So your statement will be, he shook his head in or with, या तो in लिख सकते हो या with regret. So this is the correct answer. Now we'll see the next slide. Yes. It was a bewildering crisscross of light rays. Word कौन सा use करना है bracket वाला? Bewildered. They were bewildered by crisscross of light rays. Your sentence will be, they were bewildered by crisscross of light rays. Next question is, I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed the other overwhelmed by enthusiasm. और आपको कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ करना है? enthusiastically. तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? enthusiastically he exclaimed that he would have been dead if well. If, okay, if उसके बाद में some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well. यहाँ तक का आपका आंसर होगा. I repeat, enthusiastically he exclaimed that he would have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well. This is your right sentence. Next is, you tried to kill him. और आपको क्या लिखना है? Killing. Which word you have to use? the bracket word, that is killing. You tried killing him. You tried killing him is your answer. I will prepare some nice stuff for her. Bracket word is preparation. Your statement will, preparation of some nice stuff for her is in order. ठीक है, या तो ये आप लिख सकते हो, or else you can write it, I will make a preparation of some nice stuff for her. You can write any one, whichever you like. Then the other groaned on hearing it. Bracket word is heard. You have to apply that word and you have to rewrite the sentence. The other groaned having heard it. Either you can write this, or the others heard it and started groaning. You can write any one from it. So we have done with the activities of the first chapter. Okay. So now please do subscribe my channel, do like my channel. I'll keep on updating many more activities to you. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.